GWM Haval H7 recall. Headrest safety issue affects 571 vehicles' Great Wall motors. GWM is conducting a safety recall for its Haval H7 midsize SUV, affecting 571 vehicles produced between 2024 and 2025. The recall addresses a critical flaw in the headrest locking mechanism that could lead to headrest detachment during a severe frontal collision. The problem? Faulty locking mechanism. The Haval H7 uses a single-sided locking system where a pin slides into a groove to secure the headrest position. According to GWM's recall notice, the locking groove on affected vehicles may not meet specifications, preventing full engagement when the headrest is lowered. This means that in a high-impact crash, the headrest could become dislodged, increasing the risk of whiplash or more serious neck injuries for occupants. Affected vehicles and VIN list. The recall applies to vehicles manufactured in 2024 and 2025. Owners can verify if their vehicle is included by checking the attached vehicle identification number VIN list. What owners need to do? GWM advises owners of affected vehicles to contact their local dealership for a free inspection. The inspection will confirm whether the headrest locking mechanism is functioning correctly and will be repaired if necessary. Customers can also reach GWM customer support directly at 1830-8100 with any questions. Why this matters? This recall highlights the importance of stringent quality control in automotive safety systems. Headrests are designed to reduce whiplash injuries in rear-end collisions, but a faulty headrest can negate this protection. The recall is a standard measure by GWM to address the issue and ensure customer safety. This incident underscores the need for ongoing vigilance from both manufacturers and regulators to prevent similar defects in future vehicles. Proper headrest function is essential for occupant protection, and this recall serves as a reminder of how crucial even seemingly minor components can be for overall vehicle safety.